Good morning, friends. This video is about our lecture number 8 and 9 to be conducted on 10th of August, that is Monday. Friends, on Monday, we'll start with unit number 2, that is literature review techniques. In fact, the whole lecture is divided into 3 parts. Initially, I would like to discuss with you an article that I have shared with you last Saturday that was on bridge over the river Chaluteka. So we'll have discussion, your observations on that particular article. After that discussion on article, we'll formally begin with the presentation and discussion on literature review techniques. I will first discuss with you what is literature review. A couple of formal definitions of literature review I will discuss with you. Followed by the definition of literature review, we'll try to understand the importance, significance of literature review techniques. How literature review will help you in your research. I will also share with you a list of literatures that includes scholarly articles, conference proceedings, books, standards, maps, newspaper articles, standards, audio video tapes, DVDs, patents, electronic database, etc. So these are all included under literature. Where to find this literature? For example, you can search for this literature in our library. We have a Delnet service. Through Delnet also you can get some books if not available in our library. We have electronic databases like IEEE, Science Direct. We have Scopus license. So we'll discuss about Scopus also. Then I wish to discuss with you strategies for literature review. In fact, there are 3 scientific ways to do literature review. One is keyword search. Second one is backward chronological search. And the third one is forward chronological search. So I wish to give you examples of all the 3 strategies for literature search. We will also discuss steps for literature review, and towards the end of our presentation, we'll have summary of entire unit 2, and then in lecture number 2, I would like to show you a video of Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose and his invention, the kind of efforts which Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose put, the outcome of his research, how it is helpful in today's world, especially in Wi-Fi, radio communication, etc. So this is the whole agenda of 2 scheduled lecture on 10th of August. We'll start with an article on River Chaluteka Bridge. Second, presentation on literature review techniques, and we'll end this session with a very interesting video on Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose. I have also uploaded all the PPTs on our LMS Moodle, so you can have access of all the material from LMS Moodle. Enjoy learning. Thank you, friends.